At this stage of the news hour debate, Ravi Shankar Prasad joining the panel with Randeep Surjewala, who stays on. Kumar Ketkar joins us. Vinod Mehta is with us. Hartosh Singh Bal. The panel is complete. Gentlemen, first question goes to Ravi Shankar Prasad. Without intending to provoke you in the least, Mr. Prasad, the fact is you must hand it to Rahul Gandhi. He's taken on his own Prime Minister. He's spoken with conviction. He's spoken with a lack of ambiguity, which is generally been seen to be quite refreshing. And he has done something which you have not. You have not said lock, stock and barrel, we don't want any change. You said take it to the standing committee. Rahul Gandhi is quite clear, which you are not. He says this is rubbish. Throw it out. Now, don't you think the younger people and the more, the new India out there will say, Rahul Gandhi is speaking a line which we like. The BJP is speaking a line which politicians like.
Or now, can I give you a little background? Some of you indicated on your channel.
Yes.
Earlier, there was a bill approved by the cabinet, headed by Dr. Manmohan Singh, of the Congress party, of which esteemed Mr. Rahul Gandhi is the vice president. This bill was approved, brought to the parliament. We opposed it. In Rajya Sabha, they insisted. We also raised constitutional issue. In the Lok Sabha, again, we pressured. When Congress party was not sure of its majority, ultimately it went to standing committee because we were raising objection both about the nature of the bill and also its constitutionality. The second time the ordinance comes, again approved by the cabinet, headed by the Prime Minister of the Congress party, where a Congress law minister very loquaciously and eloquently defended this bill, of which Rahul Gandhi is the Prime Minister, is the Vice President. Should we know that he did not know about it?
No, is he not entitled to? Is he not entitled to reviewing his own position?
No, and I missed. My reply is very simple. When he saw the sense of revulsion in the country, when he learnt that even legally it will be vulnerable, when he learnt that the president is also asking questions, calling for the ministers, then he realized, let me take a bravado. And Arnab Goswami, if that is the case of propriety, today a shameful saga in the annal of our democracy has been added. We're bulldozed into passing a JPC on 2G, the worst scam.
Are you
Why
going?
Rahul Gandhi is quiet?
Are you going? Are you, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, going with the greatest of utmost respect to you by the form and not the content of what he says? And equally, can I please ask the Congress party which wants to respond to tell the people of this country a simple question? Rahul Gandhi didn't speak during the Anna movement. Rahul Gandhi didn't speak during the scams. Rahul Gandhi did not speak during the various other occasions where the credibility of this government was seen to be suspect, including when the PMO was pulled into Colgate. Why has Rahul Gandhi's conscience suddenly woken up when the Prime Minister is on a foreign visit at a time like this?
Arnab, there are two very simple points that I want to make. Number one, Rahul Gandhi ji has set a new discourse. He's given a new direction to the polity by saying very simple thing.
Now what?
And that is, let us rise above the political shades and differences of opinion and purge India's polity from criminals. But my friends from BJP can never say it because their Prime Minister aspirant, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has Babu Bhai Bokaria, a convicted person, as his minister, because their Prime Ministerial aspirant does not permit Lokpal bill to be passed.
Is that the issue tonight? No, is that the issue tonight?
Courage of conviction,
is that the issue tonight? Why do you try and dodge the issue? Randeep Singh Surjewala, answer my question tonight. Does this not cast a shadow on the remaining tenure of Dr. Manmohan Singh? With ministers falling in line, does it not undercut the authority and credibility of the Prime Minister? Is that not your concern? Is that not Rahul Gandhi's concern?
Not at all, Arnab.
It's not your concern.
Here is a leader, a young leader of a political party who has spoken the truth like it is. And he has guided not only his own party, but his own government. And let me remind you, we are not run from Nagpur. Indian National Congress has a history of difference of opinion between Prime Minister and second in command.
So you are admitting, this is an admission, Randeep Singh Surjewala admitting on national television tonight. You are admitting on national television tonight that there are differences.
Disagreed on many ideological issues.
Did I just hear you admit?
Please understand.
No, did I hear you admit? Did I hear you admit something?
With due regards, Arnab, do not put words in my mouth. Please understand
you said Indian National Congress has a history of differences.
Shri Rahul Gandhi.
No, you said Indian National Congress has a history of differences. Explain.
No, I did not say. Indian National Congress is an open democratic party and permits difference of opinion. Here the leader of the Indian National Congress has said the truth like it is. He has
Question
guided
coming
his
to you
own
from
party.
Bharat Kumar
He has
Raut. Bharat
guided
Kumar
his
Raut
own
intervenes in the
government,
debate. Bharat Kumar Raut.
I have a simple
truth of
question.
purpose and
I have a
sincerity in
simple
polity
question.
is what
Arnab,
Rahul ji is
How
trying
do you,
to
how do
promote.
you make a difference of opinion? If your leader, the supreme leader perhaps, he says that throw the ordinance.
Nonsense. He says nonsense.
This is nonsense and throw this ordinance. Is it only difference of opinion or something
Arnab,
more than
can
that?
I come here?
I would say it is a no confidence from the party to the government headed by Manmohan Singh.
A vote of no confidence.
It's a vote of no confidence from the
Randeep
party.
Surjewala. Mr.
It's a
Surjewala.
vote of no confidence from the party.
Mr. Surjewala
And
responds.
Absolutely,
the only option left, here the only
absolutely
option left
incorrect.
with the Prime
Here
Minister
is a vice
either
president
to
of the
fight
party
it back
and party is
or
leader who
to
speaks
get out
from
of the
courage of
government.
conviction, by sincerity of purpose and by speaking the truth as it
Mr.
is.
Surjewala, Ravi Shankar
He's
Prasad
guiding the
responding to
party. He's writing a new political discourse.
No, Mr.
And he's
Surjewala,
also telling
Mr.
all
Surjewala, what
politicians
if
of
the
all
cost-
shades,
what
let's
if-
rise above partisan politics and let's do what is
Mr.
correct for
Surjewala,
India and let's purge criminals
Mr.
from politics.
Mr. Surjewala, before you go, Ravi Shankar Prasad is saying something to you. Please listen to him. The only question I have to ask you repeatedly is, it's good to position yourself, but when you position yourself at the expense of your Prime Minister, then are you preparing to dump the Prime Minister of India? Are you preparing to dump the Prime Minister? Are you prepared for a
Absolutely.
situation where the Prime Minister may put in his papers? What if the Prime Minister were to say, I don't like to be insulted like this and I want to resign?
Absolutely not, Arnab. Absolutely not, Arnab. We respect our Prime Minister. He is most
Ravi Shankar
valuable
Prasad.
not only for the Indian National Congress but for the
Those are
entire
mere
party.
words tonight.
But here is an ideological line given by Rahul ji to the party and to the government. And that is a fair and correct thing to
Those
do.
are mere words tonight. Randeep Surjewala, Ravi Shankar Prasad is responding to you. Mr. Prasad to Randeep Surjewala. Go ahead.
I hope the very eager and enthusiastic Congress spokesperson will have the patience to listen to me.
Go ahead.
Or not, should I presume that Dr. Manmohan Singh did not know the mind of Rahul Gandhi? Should I presume that Chidambaram and Kapil Sibal and the whole lot of eminent lawyer members of the Council of Ministers did not know the mind of 10 Janpath? When twice it was approved by the cabinet? And Mr. Rahul Gandhi has given the line
Answer
to rise
that.
above party divides. Why did not give that to Mr. Manmohan Singh?
Answer that.
earlier? He
Answer
could have
that.
Given that.
Answer
The point
that.
is very simple.
Arnab,
I am not
with
advocating
due
for
regards-
Manmohan Singh.
with due
It is
regards
a
to-
public snub to Dr. Manmohan Singh, a public humiliation. And if you have left a little
Arnab, that's a
self-respect, as
completely-
Mr. Baru talked about, he must resign.
No, you
He
must answer,
resign.
Mr. Surjewala. You must answer. You must answer one question.
Yes,
Why
I
is
will.
Rahul
And
Gandhi?
I will, Arnab,
No, why
answer
is
that
Rahul Gandhi
question.
entering into the subject so belatedly?
With-
Was he not
with due
aware of moves
regards
to
to-
draft a bill? Was
No.
he not aware of an ordinance of
No,
this nature? Did he not know about all that?
Another thing.
No, one second. I want Randeep to respond to that.
The
Randeep,
learned
yes.
leader from the Bharatiya Janata Party has said.
Yes.
And the stance of the party has been made very, very clear by Shri Rahul Gandhi. When a clear stance is made not only for the Indian National Congress and the government but for the entire polity. And what is Rahul ji saying? With sincerity of purpose, with complete dedication, complete transparency, let's purge criminals
No,
from
was
politics.
this a
What is
moment?
wrong
Was
with
this a
that?
moment of
And why is
nirvana for Rahul
BJP
Gandhi?
shying away from that?
Was this a moment of nirvana? Was it like a nirvana moment for Rahul Gandhi that he suddenly realized that I have to
Arnab,
play
you have to see sincerity of purpose of a young leader of India who has
you are
risen
saying-
above all kind
No,
of parochialism that exists
let me
across
come in here,
political
Arnab. Let
parties
me come in
and
here.
said
If
criminality
he was
has
sincere,
to be purged from
the
politics.
government
And let's go ahead and do that.
passing the ordinance was that news came 3 days ago.
Exactly,
After that,
exactly.
he
Randeep
came
Surjewala,
silent.
1 minute. Randeep Surjewala,
No,
1 minute.
Let me-
1 minute. Mr.
let-
Surjewala, don't go away. Mr. Surjewala, don't go away.
Let me complete
No,
this.
one sec. Let Mr. Surjewala answer that. Before that, Mr. Surjewala, he's leaving this. I think he's got to go to another panel. But these are questions which are burning tonight.
Okay,
And I want to
I-
clarify, Randeep Surjewala is not leaving the panel. He stayed on with us for a bit and he has another panel discussion to go to. So, Kumar Ketkar, let me throw the ball here in your court. What is the intention? Is the intention to take the thunder away from the BJP,
Well,
Kumar
I
Ketkar?
don't think it was so planned or pre-orchestrated.
Don't
It
tell me
was-
that. Don't tell me that.
Okay,
No, I mean-
both are presumptions. You are saying it was orchestrated, I am saying it is not.
You are a seasoned
both of us do not know whether it was orchestrated or not. So I am taking a position that it was spontaneous, you are taking pre-orchestrated.
all I'm saying-
okay.
all
But
I'm
the
saying-
only
all-
point,
all I'm
the
saying
only
tonight-
point I am trying to drive at is, suppose it is belated wisdom.
Belated wisdom?
Suppose it is 3 days later
What
the
is-
Sakshatkar.
what is
Suppose
belated
it is
wisdom?
a revelation.
What is-
Suppose it is a revelation 3 days after.
You don't expect me to believe that.
Suppose you are saying that. Suppose it is a revelation 3 days after.
A revelation.
Are we questioning?
A revelation, sir.
Are we questioning the position?
No, we're
or
not.
we are questioning the timing
Sir,
of the
we
revelation?
are questioning the timing.
But
We
why
are
should
questioning the timing.
Why? Nobody is allowed to learn later on.
You're telling me that
Nobody is entitled to learn later on.
What do you mean
should
learn
happen?
later on?
He must have realized later. So what is wrong?
Okay, what's
What is
No, no,
wrong
no,
in
the
realizing
time now.
later?
Arnab,
What
let me
is
get it.
wrong in realizing later that they made a mistake? Suppose
No,
if
but
he-
no, the timing
What
of
is
this
it?
realization is very interesting. It is after the leader of opposition in both the houses. Not only that, other ministers and the president of India had doubts about this. After that, when Milind Devra, his young cabinet minister of state, he tweeted against this. Then Rahul Gandhi speaks. It is well
But
orchestrated.
what is wrong in that?
It is no realization.
See, we don't know whether
is
it was orchestrated or-
This is the formula.
Suppose it is orchestrated, what is wrong with that?
It is wrong.
Has he taken a wrong position?
Exactly.
Has he made a wrong statement?
as a party
are
chief,
you supporting the statement or you are questioning the timing?
one second,
think
gentlemen.
important
May I-
what is important
May-
is
may
the
I-
statement
No,
he has made.
may I
What
come
is
in?
not important relatively
May
is
I-
the timing. Timing
may-
is secondary issue.
may I
Timing is secondary issue. The statement he
Here-
has made
here it
is
is
important.
calculated timing.
And moreover,
It is calculated
one
timing.
more
And
thing.
therefore it is important.
This happens in all democratic countries.
Arnab,
When Vajpayee described Narendra Modi as kalank, a stigma, at that time party president and Mr. Advani supported Narendra Modi. Did Vajpayee resign?
I have 4 questions.
Did Vajpayee resign?
I will
Vajpayee at that time did not resign because he also understood.
I will-
He also understood in
But
democracy.
there-
Party,
but
party and
Vajpayee had
party
not-
and government are two different things.
Vajpayee
And the
had not
same
come
thing
out
has
with
happened.
ordinance.
And the same thing has
Vajpayee
happened in
had
Shiv
not come out with
Sena.
ordinance.
Same thing has happened in Shiv
Gentlemen,
Sena.
I-
Balasaheb Thackeray.
otherwise
Balasaheb Thackeray
otherwise
has
I'll be
taken-
on my legs.
No, Balasaheb Thackeray has often taken a position against the Shiv Sena BJP government in
Otherwise, I
Maharashtra.
will-
So this happens in democracy.
I-
don't think
I-
None of them spoke
Bharat
of
Kumar-
throwing the ordinance.
I'm going to stand up.
None of them.
I'm going to stand up.
okay.
I'm threatening to stand up. 1 minute. 1 minute, gentlemen. Can I have a moment of silence, which is rare on the News Hour tonight, which will be refreshing, so we can all catch a breath, and so can our viewers tonight. I take a breath and I ask 4 questions. 4 questions, Vinod Mehta, if you permit me. Was Rahul Gandhi unaware of the government's attempt to circumvent the Supreme Court order? Was Rahul Gandhi unaware of the party meet on August 13th? Was Rahul Gandhi unaware of the cabinet note dated August 17th? Was Rahul Gandhi also unaware that the bill was introduced in the Rajya Sabha on the 30th of August? And if Rahul Gandhi was unaware of all this, then we are a very worried people indeed. The floor is to Vinod Mehta tonight. Ravi Shankar Prasad nodding in agreement. Hartosh Singh Bal coming to you any minute.
Arnab.
Vinod Mehta.
Arnab, I had some exclusive information for you, and you can't say I don't deliver the goods. My exclusive information is this. On Tuesday afternoon at 2:30, last Tuesday afternoon at 2:30, Ajay Makan came to see me. He said to me that he was trying to arrange some editors to meet Rahul Gandhi. So we had a chit-chat. But in the end, he said, please, when you meet Rahul Gandhi, please tell him that there are sections in the party who are very unhappy about this ordinance. This he told me on Tuesday afternoon. Now, what I want to make 2 or 3 points. The first point remains that, of course, this has been horribly handled. It should never have been handled like this. But I think the Congress party is to blame for that. Point number 2. Everybody is saying that this is a snub to the Prime Minister. Why would the Congress and Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi snub a Prime Minister who is their creation? Why would they want to do that? The third point remains...
Which is exactly what all of us want to know.
The Congress decision-making processes in the Congress are very complex. There may have been sections in the Congress party who were for the ordinance. And I'm going to say something which you may find blasphemous. I think the Prime Minister actually may be relieved that Rahul has said what he has said, because I find it very difficult to believe that the Prime Minister would support a piece of legislation which legitimizes the role of criminals in Parliament. So therefore this is not so simple. And last point, this language of nonsense. Everybody, I mean, Rahul Gandhi is a young lad.
Young lad.
What would you have preferred him to say? Would you have preferred him to say it's counterproductive? I'm glad that he didn't use a euphemism and use the
Vinod
word
Mehta.
nonsense.
Vinod
I
Mehta.
mean-
Vinod Mehta, you know
Ah.
I have tremendous regard for you. And I have never
do I,
I have never in the years that I have known you ever challenged any of your anecdotes, including the one you just revealed
Please.
about what Ajay Makan told you about how he felt against what was being expressed, because what amounts to it is very
You
serious.
get, Arnab, you can see the register in Outlook. He came at 2:30. I gave him biscuits and coffee.